Hello friends, welcome to Law and GK. So friends, on this channel we discuss the contents of law and previous year papers of judicial services and other legal exams. And friends, in today's video, we are going to discuss all the questions of CRPC of preliminary exam paper of Uttarakhand Judicial Services from the year 2002 to 2023. I hope कि ये वीडियोस आपके लिए बड़ी यूजफुल रहेंगी, आपके लिए बड़ा ही बेनिफिशियल रहेगा। एंड अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो जरूर लाइक कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ। एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब दी चैनल एंड वाइल सब्सक्राइबिंग डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस दी बेल आइकॉन so that you can get notification of our upcoming videos. And अगर आपको हमारे efforts अच्छे लगे हो तो in addition to like and subscribe, kindly give us a super thanks. Super thanks is a way to appreciate the content creator. आप जो है जो भी कंटेंट बनाता है उसको अप्रिशिएट करने के लिए आप जितना भी अमाउंट चाहें डोनेट कर सकते हैं. सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू गिव अस अ सुपर थैंक्स. Next 87. Under which section of CRPC session code exercises the power of appeal from conviction? That is 374. C is the answer. Next 88. Under which section of CRPC an order from attachment of property of person absconding may be passed at any time after the issue of proclamation? That is section 83. A is the answer. Next 89. Which section of CRPC provides for confirmation by High Court of an order of death sentence passed by Session Court prior to its execution? तो कन्फर्मेशन होती है सेक्शन 368 में. ए इसका आंसर है. 366 में क्या है? सबमिशन फॉर कन्फर्मेशन. 369 एटलीस्ट 2 जजेस शैल साइन दी डेथ सेंटेंस या फिर कन्फर्मेशन. ए इसका आंसर रहेगा. Next 90. When the session judge or the high court calls to examine for the record of any proceeding before it any inferior court, तो क्या बोलते हैं उसको? रिवीजन. कहाँ पर है हाई कोर्ट की पावर रिवीजन? दैट इज सेक्शन 401. रेफरेंस की पावर का हाई कोर्ट की 395. Next 91. Which one of the following orders can be passed after the trial of a case is over? तो either order of acquittal or conviction. D is the answer. Next 92. FIR क्या है? Relates to cognizable offence only and given to police officer. Relates prima facie to cognizable offence. C is the answer. Section कौन सा है? 154. Next 93. Under which section of CRPC anticipatory bail may be granted to a person apprehending his arrest? That is section 438. A is the answer. कौन दे सकता है? Court of Session या फिर High Court. Next 94. Under the Constitution of India, all aspects of family law are in the concurrent list. C is the answer. Next 95. Assertion है the purpose of criminal law is to prevent crimes. फिर रीजन है in certain situations even a private person can arrest other person. Yes, ठीक है बिल्कुल, बट इसकी एक्सप्लेनेशन तो बनी नहीं, तो बी इसका आंसर रहेगा. प्राइवेट पर्सन कहाँ अरेस्ट कर सकता है? सेक्शन 43 ऑफ CRPC में. नेक्स्ट 96. एन ऑफेंस पनिशेबल विद इम्प्रिजनमेंट फॉर टर्म एक्सीडिंग 2 years लेट्स टू वारंट के सेक्शन 2X में प्रोवाइड किया गया. समझ किस कहाँ पर? 2W में. Next 97. Under which section of CRPC a police officer can arrest a person without an order from magistrate and without warrant? That is section 41. D is the answer. Next 98. Under which section of CRPC a person who is avoiding execution of a warrant may be proclaimed absconder? That is section 82. C is the answer. Next 99. Under which section of CRPC an accused person can himself be a competent witness? That is section 315. A is the answer. Next 100. Whom of the following is authorized to record a confessional statement? Any judicial magistrate. तो C इसका आंसर रहेगा. Next question number 101. 101. Under section 482 inherent powers can be exercised by High Court. C is the answer. Next 102. The object of investigation is to arrest, to punish, to collect evidence. To collect evidence. C is the answer. Next 103. Which of the following offense is not compoundable? देखिए रिपीट क्वेश्चन है, ये भी कई बार आ चुका है, तो इससे पहले देखिए 307. क्या है ये? अटेम्प्ट टू मर्डर. कंपाउंडेबल नहीं होता. C is the answer. Next 104. Any dispute relating to possession of immovable property is decided by executive magistrate. B is the answer. Next 105. Section 304 क्या है? लीगल एड के लिए टू अक्यूज एट स्टेट एक्सपेंसेस. B is the answer. Next 106. Procedure of summary trial is provided in section 260 से 265, C is the answer. Next 107, a conditional order of removal of public nuisance under 133 may be passed by DM, SDM, EM, all of the above, any of the above. D is the answer. Next 108, in which of the following cases it was held by the Supreme Court that section 125 was applicable to all irrespective of their religion? Muhammad Ahmad Khan, Shabano Begum. A is the answer. Next 109, which section of CRPC provides that a person once convicted or acquitted cannot be tried for the same offence again? That is section 300, atro fois acquit and atro fois convict. Next 110, which of the following sentence may be passed by magistrate of second class? तो 1 ईयर तक के इम्प्रिजनमेंट दे सकता है. बी इज द आंसर. कहाँ मेंशन किया गया? सेक्शन 29 CRPC में. Next 111, who can withdraw a case from prosecution under section 321 CRPC? Public prosecutor in charge of the case with the permission of the court. B is the answer. Next 112, point out the incorrect response under the CRPC. Inquiry is conducted by a court. Yes. After framing of the charge. No, before framing of charge, prior to framing of charges. Yes. और क्या है? conducted by magistrate. Yes. तो इसमें incorrect क्या हुआ? After framing. तो B is the answer. Next 113, a chief judicial magistrate may pass sentence up to 7 years, not exceeding 7 years. A is the answer. Section कौन सा है? 29 CRPC. Next 114, when a criminal procedure code came into force 1 अप्रैल 1974. B is the answer. Next 137, how many minimum number of judges of the High Court are required to sign confirmation of death sentence? 2. B is the answer. कहाँ मेंशन किया गया है? ये CRPC में मेंशन किया गया है सेक्शन 369 में. Next 138, an irregularity by magistrate in which one of the following case will not vitiate. देखिए will not vitiate वाले कहाँ पर है? सेक्शन 460 में प्रोवाइड किए गए हैं. मेकिंग एन ऑर्डर ऑफ मेंटेनेंस ये प्रोवाइड किया गया सेक्शन 461 विच विल विशिएट एंड क्लॉज है ये G. डिमांडिंग सिक्योरिटी फॉर गुड बिहेवियर ये है क्लॉज DO 461. टेंडरिंग पार्डन टू अकम्पलिस ये 460 में है क्लॉज G में. ट्राइंग एन ऑफेंडर समरीली ये है 461 क्लॉज M. तो विच डू नॉट विशिएट 460 में है तो C इसका आंसर हो गया. बाकी विशिएट कर जाएंगे एज पर 461. Next 139, order under section 144 CRPC amenable to jurisdiction on violation of any fundamental right. कौन सा केस था ये? तो ये केस था गुलाम अब्बास वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ यूपी. C is the answer. Next 140, classification of compoundable and non-compoundable offense has been provided in section 320 CRPC. D is the answer. Next 141, CRPC Amendment Act of 2005 received the assent of President on 23 जून 2005. देखिए उस टाइम पर रिसेंट में पूछा गया है ना. 2006 का पेपर है, 2005 की अमेंडमेंट पूछ ली है, ये पूछ सकते हैं ऑब्वियसली. Next 142, which provision under CRPC prescribed the mode of execution of sentence of death that the convict be hanged by neck until he be dead. देखिए इसके दो प्रोविजन है. एक तो सेंटेंसिंग का दिया हुआ है सेक्शन 354 जो जजमेंट्स है वहां पर मेंशन किया गया सेंटेंस अगर डेथ का है तो वहां पर मेंशन करना है कि हैंग बाय नेक टिल डेथ है, तो डेथ का है. लेकिन यहाँ पे देखिए क्या किया गया है, प्रेस्क्राइब द मोड ऑफ एग्जीक्यूशन. मोड बताया गया तो वो है फॉर्म नंबर 42 सेकंड शेड्यूल ऑफ CRPC में. बी इसका आंसर रहेगा. नेक्स्ट 143, विच सेक्शन ऑफ CRPC प्रोवाइड द कंफर्मेशन बाय द हाई कोर्ट फॉर एन ऑर्डर ऑफ डेथ सेंटेंस पास बाय द सेशन कोर्ट होगा ये प्रायर टू इट्स एग्जीक्यूशन. दैट इज सेक्शन 368. बी इज द आंसर. अगर हम सबमिट करते हैं कंफर्मेशन के लिए वो है 366 में. 360 ने बता ही दिया कि 2 जजेस की साइन चाहिए उस पर. नेक्स्ट 144, द अपील अगेंस्ट एन ऑर्डर ऑफ एक्विटल पास बाय कोर्ट ऑफ जुडिशियल मैजिस्ट्रेट फर्स्ट क्लास शैल लाई टू कोर्ट ऑफ सेशन. बी इज द आंसर. सेक्शन कौन सा है? 378 CRPC. Next 145, in which of the following section of CRPC provision for free legal aid is made? That is section 304. C is the answer. Next is 146, in which case it was held that second wife of a person whose husband's first wife is alive cannot claim maintenance as per 125. वो केस था खेमचंद ओम प्रकाश स्टेट ऑफ गुजरात. C is the answer. Next 147, the provision proving conviction is envisaged in which of the following sections? 298 CRPC. C is the answer. ये प्रोविजन प्रूविंग कन्विक्शन, अभी प्रीवियस कन्विक्शन कौन लिखेगा? प्रीवियस कन्विक्शन के लिए है 298. Next 148, an offence is committed by a British citizen on an aircraft registered in India. The offender may be dealt under the provision of CRPC section 188. A is the answer. Next 149, the court may alter the charge before the evidence of the prosecution is taken या फिर before judgment is pronounced. Any time कर सकते हैं before judgment is pronounced. D is the answer. Section कौन सा है? 216 of CRPC. Next 150, under which section of CRPC conditional order for removal of nuisance may be issued? That is 133. C is the answer. Next 151, a minor child claims maintenance under section 125 from his father who is in USA. The court directs magistrate to issue warrant to recovery of amount from concerned parent in USA through Indian ambassador in USA. It was also held by the court that if father fails to send the amount of maintenance, then the magistrate will proceed according to law. कौन सा केस था ये? PL वर्सेस प्रदीप कुमार कंबोज. A is the answer. Next 152, inherent powers under section 482 can be exercised by High Court. D is the answer. Next 153, अब देखिए फिर से मैच करना है. तो ये CRPC के सेक्शंस हैं. सेक्शन 290 क्या प्रोवाइड करता है? एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ फॉरेन कमीशन, दैट इज 290. 291 क्या है? डिपोजिशन ऑफ मेडिकल विटनेस. 292, एविडेंस ऑफ ऑफिसर ऑफ मिंट. एंड 293, रिपोर्ट ऑफ गवर्नमेंट साइंटिफिक एक्सपर्ट. तो क्या बन गया? 4321. सी इज द आंसर. Next 154, for every distinct offence of which any person is accused, there shall be separate charge. And where is the exception to this rule in CRPC? That is 19, 20, 21, 23. D is the answer. Next 155, in which of the following cases section 144 CRPC has been held constitutionally valid? That was Madhu Limaya versus SDM Mangare. A is the answer. Next 156, whom the following is not entitled for maintenance under section 125. देखिए इलेजिटिमेट माइनर चाइल्ड ये ले लेंगे, डाइवोर्स वाइफ ले लेंगे, फादर ले लेंगे, ये ट्राइन ब्रदर नहीं ले सकता. डी इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट 157, द केस ऑफ दीना वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया रिलेट्स टू हैंगिंग एज अ मोड ऑफ एग्जीक्यूशन. बी इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट 158, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेक्शन प्रोवाइड्स प्रोसिक्यूशन ऑफ जजेस? दैट इज सेक्शन 197. सी इज द आंसर. Next 159, according to section 468 CRPC, no court shall take an offence punishable for a term not exceeding 1 year. कितना है? आफ्टर द एक्सपायरी ऑफ 1 ईयर. सेक्शन 468 में प्रोवाइड किया गया है. अगर फाइन ओनली ऑफेंस है तो 6 मंथ का टाइम पीरियड है. कॉग्निजेंस टू 1 ईयर है तो 1 ईयर, एंड अप टू 3 ईयर, 1 से 3 ईयर है तो 3 ईयर का लिमिटेशन पीरियड है फॉर टेकिंग कॉग्निजेंस. Next 160, any statement made by any person to police officer under section 162 in the course of investigation must not be signed by the person making it. B is the answer. Next 161, FIR under 154 किसके लिए होती है? कॉग्निजेबल केसेस के लिए. B is the answer. नॉन कॉग्निजेबल ऑफेंस के लिए क्या है? सेक्शन 155, इसको बोलते हैं क्या? नॉन कॉग्निजेबल रिपोर्ट. Next 74, under CRPC, which one of the following court can try a murder case? That is session judge. C is the answer. और ये कहाँ मेंशन किया गया? मेंशन किया गया है Schedule 1 of CRPC and column 6. Next 75, under CRPC, no court shall take cognizance of an offence punishable with fine only after expiry of period of 6 months. D is the answer. कहाँ प्रोवाइड किया गया? सेक्शन 468 CRPC में. Next 76, under CRPC provision 18 prosecution of public servant is given. That is 197. B is the answer. 198 में क्या? 18 marriage. 199 defamation वाला. Next 77, what is the time limit under section 468 of CRPC for taking cognizance in case of defamation? That is 3 years. How? देखिए 468 कहता है कि फाइन ओनली है तो 6 मंथ्स की लिमिटेशन है फॉर टेकिंग कॉग्निजेंस। फिर अगर 1 ईयर तक का ऑफेंस है, पनिशमेंट इसमें 1 ईयर हो तो 1 ईयर का टाइम है। फिर 1 to 3 है तो 3 ईयर है। डिफेमेशन के केस में कितनी पनिशमेंट है? 2 ईयर्स की, तो 3 ईयर्स का उसमें लिमिटेशन लगेगा। सी इज द आंसर। नेक्स्ट 78, हाउ मच पनिशमेंट मे बी प्रोवाइडेड टू एन अक्यूज हु इज फाउंड गिल्टी अंडर अ समरी ट्रायल अंडर CRPC नॉट एक्सीडिंग 3 मंथ्स। डी इज द आंसर। कहाँ प्रोवाइड किया गया है? सेक्शन 262 ऑफ CRPC में। समरी प्रोसीजर कहाँ से कहाँ तक है? 260 से 265 तक। नेक्स्ट 79, अंडर विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेक्शन ऑफ CRPC पुलिस कैन अरेस्ट एन अक्यूज विदाउट वारंट? सेक्शन है 41, सी इज द आंसर। नेक्स्ट 80, अंडर CRPC देयर शैल बी नो अपील बाय कन्विक्टेड पर्सन वेयर मैजिस्ट्रेट ऑफ फर्स्ट क्लास imposes only sentence a fine not exceeding 100 rupees. A is the answer. This is provided in section 376 CRPC. No appeal in petty cases. Petty cases लिखे हुए हैं यहाँ पर और ये लिखा हुआ है उसके क्लॉज C में। Next 81, a refusal to answer question put to a witness under section 161 is an offence under section 179. B is the answer. 179 IPC. Next 82, according to CRPC, every information relating to the commission of a cognizable offence shall be signed by the person giving it. A is the answer. Section 154 provides the same. FIR cognizable offences में. Next 83, who may record confessional statement under 164? Any judicial magistrate. D is the answer. Jurisdiction is immaterial at time of investigation stage. वो यही पूछते हैं कि 164 स्टेज कौन सी होती है? इन्वेस्टिगेशन की स्टेज होती है ये। Next 84, under which one of the following section of CRPC it is mandatory for the officer to produce the person arrested before magistrate in 24 hours of arrest? That is section 57. A is the answer. Next 85, under CRPC an accused person can be remanded to police custody for not more than 15 days at one time. देखिए यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन अभी गड़बड़ कर दी। 15 डेज मैक्सिमम है ये टाइम पीरियड, तो फर्स्ट 15 डेज में दे सकते हैं, चाहे कितनी बार दे। 2 दिन के लिए दिया, फिर 1 दिन छोड़ के फिर 5 दिन के लिए दे दिया, तो फर्स्ट 15 डेज तक आप पुलिस कस्टडी दे सकते हो, उसके बाद नहीं दे सकते। तो वन टाइम ये कैसे लिखा है? वी डू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड दैट। आंसर है इसका 15 डेज, बी। Next 54, which section of CRPC provides that no statement made by any person to a police officer, if reduced in writing, be signed by the person making it? That is section 162. B is the answer. Next 55, CGM may pass sentence of imprisonment not exceeding 7 years. A is the answer, where it is mentioned section 29 CRPC. Next 56, which of the following section of CRPC provides for anticipatory bail? 438, who can give? Court of Session and High Court. Next 65, which of the following authorities is not entitled to try a case summarily under the CRPC? Judicial Magistrate second class. D is the answer, unless empowered by High Court specifically. ठीक है, D इसका आंसर रहेगा। कहाँ प्रोवाइड किया गया? सेक्शन 260। Next 67, who can tender pardon to accomplice under section 306? CJM or MM first class? Yes, all of the above. D is the answer. Next 68, the procedure of trials held before court of session is provided in CRPC under 225 to 237. C is the answer. 230 से फिर क्या है? Warrant trials. Next 69, on being submitted the sentence of death by court of session, the High Court may confirm, annul, may pass another sentence. All of the above. D is the answer. Next 72H of CRPC defines the term investigation. A is the answer. इंक्वायरी कितने में है? 2G में। चार्ज कितने में है? 2B में। ऑफेंस 2N में। Next 71, which section CRPC provide for the prosecution for offenses against marriage? 198. C is the answer. 97 किसके लिए? जजेस एंड पब्लिक सर्वेंट के लिए। Next 101, which of the following are liable under section 125D of CRPC for payment of maintenance to their parents who are unable to maintain themselves? Son, daughter, both. C is the answer. Next, 102, Section 2C of CRPC defines cognizable offense. C is the answer. Non cognizable offense कहाँ पर है? 2L में. Next, 62, under Section 167 CRPC, the maximum period of police custody is 90 days. A is the answer. In case of any offense punishable with imprisonment 10 year and above, life and death, and other cases 10 less than 10 year है तो 60 days. Next, 63, CJM may pass sentence of imprisonment not exceeding 7 years. A is the answer. Section 29 provides the same. Next, 64, under which section of CRPC compensation is paid to groundlessly arrested person? That is 358. B is the answer. Next, 65, the accused has indefeasible right to bail when instigation is not completed within 90 or 60 days. D is the answer. Next, 66, in which case Supreme Court of India directed the High Court to exercise jurisdiction under Section 482 of CRPC? That was State of Haryana versus Bhajanlal. A is the answer. Next, 67, in which case Supreme Court held that only legally verified can claim maintenance under Section 125. That was Savitri Bain versus State of Gujarat. A is the answer. However, this is now overruled. Even the live-in relationship lady can also claim the maintenance under 125. Next, 68, which section of CRPC deals with case diary? That is 172. C is the answer. Next, 69, which section of CRPC provides that no court shall alter a judgment after it has been signed? That is Section 362. C is the answer. Next is 70, under which section of CRPC addition or alteration of charge has been provided? Under Section 216. C is the answer. Next, 71, under which section of CRPC a search warrant is issued? That is Section 93. B is the answer. Next, 72, Section 164 CRPC provides about which of the following? Recording of confession and statement. A is the answer. Next, 73, in which section of CRPC it is provided that a male child below age of 15 years cannot be called at police station? That is Section 160, subsection 1. A is the answer. And also provided less than 15 and woman and above 65 year of age. Next, 74, under which section of CRPC cognizable offense has been defined? 2C. B is the answer. 2A में क्या है? Bailable and non-bailable offense. 2I is judicial proceedings. And next, 75, under which section of CRPC investigating officer records statement of witnesses? 161. C is the answer. 162 में लिखा होगा कि उस साइन नहीं करना है बट कैन बी यूज. 164 क्या है? फॉर कन्फेशन एंड स्टेटमेंट. 160 बता ही दिया अभी, जब पुलिस ऑफिसर कॉल्स द विटनेसेस. नेक्स्ट, 76, मंथली अमाउंट ऑफ मेंटेनेंस अंडर सेक्शन 125 CRPC is without any limit. No limit is there. D is the answer. Next, 77, who is authorized to appoint PP for a district, that is state government, under Section 24 CRPC? B is the answer. Next, 78, which court will grant anticipatory bail under Section 438, High Court or Court of Session? Both. So C is the answer. Next, 79, which section of CRPC authorizes the public prosecutor to withdraw the prosecution? That is 321. C is the answer. Next is 80, under which section of CRPC provision regarding summary trial is given? 260 to 265. B is the answer. Next, 81, classification of bailable and non-bailable offense in CRPC is provided under first schedule. A is the answer. Schedule 2 में क्या है? Forms 320 is for compoundable offenses. Next is 80, under which section of CRPC the term offense has been defined in 2N. 2D is complaint 40. Section 40 is duty of village officer in relation to village affairs. 2M is notification. So see, in IPC, section 40 talks about the offense. So this is in IPC section 40, but they are asking here about criminal procedure code. So it is section 2N. B is the answer. Next, 81. FIR is not a substantive piece of evidence. It can be used during trial for only to contradict, corroborate both. C is the answer. Next, 82. A proclaimed person whose property has been attached can claim the property or the sale proceed on appearance within 2 years of attachment. B is the answer. And where this is mentioned, it is mentioned in section 85 and subsection 3. Next, 83. A declaration of forfeiture under section 95 can be set aside by High Court under section 96. Next, 84. Point out most accurate response. Under section 125(4), who among the following cannot claim maintenance? A wife living in adultery, a wife living separately by mutual consent, and a wife who left husband without reasonable cause, and a divorced wife who got remarried. This one is not mentioned, but this is also a ground for not giving maintenance. So here both are correct. C is the answer. Next, 85. Jurisdiction to grant anticipatory bail under section 438 vest with Court of Session and High Court. Both. D is the answer. Next, 86. Under section 313 CRPC, the statement of accused has to be taken by the court, not on oath. B is the answer. ओथ कब लेते हैं? 315 में, जब अक्यूज खुद आता है, कहता है कि मैं आई एम कॉम्पिटेंट विटनेस, आई वांट टू गिव विटनेस इन माय फेवर, एट दैट टाइम ओथ कैन बी टेकन. बट जब कोर्ट क्वेश्चन पूछेगा अक्यूज से तो वहां पर ओथ नहीं ले सकते. नेक्स्ट, 87. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट करेक्टली मैच्ड? रेफरेंस टू हाई कोर्ट 395. हाई कोर्ट्स पावर ऑफ रिवीजन इज 401. अबेटमेंट ऑफ अपील इज 394. So this is wrong. Appeal from conviction 374. So answer is C. Next, 88. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Conditional order of removal of nuisance 133 है. Security for keeping the peace on conviction 106 है. Place of inquiry or trial is mentioned in section 177. It is not correct. D is power to issue order in urgent cases of nuisance 144. So C is the answer, not correct. Next, 88. The provision related to health and safety of arrested person is in 55A. C is the answer. Next, 90. Under section 167 CRPC, magistrate can authorize detention for a total period of 90 days during the investigation in cases of punishable death, imprisonment for life, and more than 10 years. All of the above. D is the answer. Next, 91. Section 197 CRPC provides protection from prosecution to which of the following? Judges and public servants. C is the answer. Next, 92. Under section 439 CRPC, jurisdiction to cancel bail vests with Court of Session and High Court. D is the answer. Next, 93. Minimum number of judges of High Court are required to sign a confirmation of sentence death, that is 2, provided in section 369. B is the answer. Next, 94. Section 25 CRPC makes provision for the appointment of APP. B is the answer. Next, 95. What does the expression transit remand denotes? Transit remand means a transfer of prison from one jail to another, from one case to another, from one state to another state. C is the answer. Next, 96. An executive magistrate can order to execute a bond as security for good behavior from suspected person from a period not exceeding 1 year. And where this is mentioned, it is mentioned in section 109 of CRPC. Next, 97. Which one of the following offences CJM cannot try in summary way? Theft with the value of the property does not exceed 2,000 rupees. That time he can do. With the value of property stolen 3,000 rupees. Here must be 2 as well. 2,000 rupees. Everywhere 2,000 rupees. Complaint under trespass, they can try summarily. And this one as well. So B is the answer. And where it is mentioned in section 260 of CRPC. Next 98. No member of armed forces of the Union shall be arrested for anything done in discharge of his official duty except after obtaining the consent of the central government. D is the answer. And where it is mentioned? It is mentioned in section 45 of CRPC. Next 99. Under which section of CRPC magistrate has power to inquire into cause of death? That is 176. A is the answer. Next 100. Delay in examining witness by investigating होगा यहाँ पर ये. By investigating officer does not ipso facto make prosecution version suspect. IO should be categorically questioned in aspect of delayed examination. It was held in which case? It was held in State of UP versus Satish. A is the answer. Next is 101. Which of the following is not an essential element of FIR? It is an information given to the police officer. Yes. Must relate to cognizable offense. First point of time. May relate to any offense whether cognizable. No. Must be for cognizable offense. So D is the answer. Next question number 102. In which of the following section of CRPC investigation has been defined in 2H? A is the answer. 2G में क्या है? Inquiry. Next 103. When the confession of the accused person is not recorded in the manner provided in section 164, oral evidence of magistrate is not admissible to prove that confession. It was held in State of UP versus Singhada Singh. A is the answer. Next is 104. In which of the following case Supreme Court held that section 125 is applicable to all irrespective of their religion? That was Muhammad Ahmad Khan versus Shabana Begum. C is the answer. अब यहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है CRPC. क्वेश्चन नंबर 103. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट करेक्टली मैच्ड? इंक्वायरी 2G में है, जुडिशियल कस्टडी 2I में है, पुलिस स्टेशन 2S में, 2O में क्या है? ऑफिसर इंचार्ज, प्लीडर 2Q में है, तो इसका आंसर क्या रहेगा? C. नेक्स्ट 104. क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ कंपाउंडेबल नॉन कंपाउंडेबल ऑफेंस प्रोवाइडेड अंडर सेक्शन 320. C is the answer. Next 105. Section 25A inserted in CRPC by CRPC Amendment Act 2005. B is the answer. और इसमें क्या आया था? Directorate of Prosecution. Alright. Next 106. Which of the following is correct answer? Provision of CRPC do not apply to state of Jammu Kashmir. This is not correct now. All provision of CRPC do not apply to state of Nagaland. This is also not correct. Earlier this was correct, but now after 2019 Reorganization Act of Jammu and Kashmir, जम्मू कश्मीर रिओर्गनाइजेशन एक्ट के बाद जो है ये जब जम्मू कश्मीर स्टेट जो है रिपील कर दिया गया, उसके बाद जो है ऑल लॉज आर एप्लीकेबल इन JNK. नाउ बोथ आर इनकरेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 107. इंक्वायरी कंडक्टेड बाय मजिस्ट्रेट और कोर्ट. D is the answer. नेक्स्ट 108. which of the following is not a criminal court? नॉट अ क्रिमिनल कोर्ट पूछा हुआ है, तो चिल्ड्रन कोर्ट, जुवेनाइल कोर्ट, पंचायती अदालत, तो ए इसमें ऑप्शन है ऑल ऑफ द अबव 2 and 3, तो इसका आंसर रहेगा D. ये दोनों क्रिमिनल कोर्ट नहीं है, 2 and 3 बोथ. D is the answer. क्लासेस ऑफ क्रिमिनल कोर्ट कहाँ पर मेंशन किया गया है? सेक्शन 6 में, तो वहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है. वहाँ पर फोर्थ कोर्ट कौन सा है? एग्जीक्यूटिव मैजिस्ट्रेट. नेक्स्ट 109. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग section of CRPC provides that person once convicted or acquitted shall not be tried again? Section 301. मैक्सिम कौन सी आती है इसमें? Autrefois acquit and Autrefois convict. Next 110. Whom the following may withdraw prosecution of any person at time before the judgment is pronounced? Public prosecutor. B is the answer. Provision in section 321 CRPC. Next is 111. Which one of the following section CRPC provides free legal aid? Is in section 304. 306 में क्या है? टेंडर पार्डन टू अकम्प्लिस. 301 में क्या है? अपीयरेंस बाय PP पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर. 302 में क्या है? परमिशन टू प्रोसिक्यूशन. नेक्स्ट 112. अंडर CRPC which of the following is correctly मैच पूछा है. देखिए, प्रोसीजर वेयर जजेस ऑफ कोर्ट ऑफ अपील आर इक्वली डिवाइडेड, तो ये 392 में ही दिया गया. करेक्टली पूछा एक ही इसमें हुआ, तो पहला ऑप्शन ए इसका करेक्ट रहेगा. अब फिनैलिटी जजमेंट एंड ऑर्डर ऑन अपील ये कहाँ पर मेंशन है? ये मेंशन है सेक्शन 393 में. रेफरेंस टू हाई कोर्ट आ गया 395 में, अरेस्ट ऑफ एक्यूज इन अपील फ्रॉम एक्विटल 390 में, 394 में क्या है, अबेटमेंट ऑफ अपील, कब अपील अबेट हो जाएगी, 396 में क्या है, डिस्पोजल ऑफ केस अकॉर्डिंग टू डिसीजन ऑफ हाई कोर्ट, 391 में क्या है, appellate court may take further evidence. Next 113, an accused may apply for plea bargaining where he has committed an offence for which the punishment extends for imprisonment exceeding 7 years, which affects the socio-economic condition of country, an offence against women. ठीक है, तो इन तीनों केसेस में जो है नहीं कर पाएगा, क्या कर सकता है, an offence of theft में, ठीक है, डी इज द आंसर। एंड प्ली बार्गेनिंग कहाँ पर मेंशन की गई है, चैप्टर है 21A, सेक्शन है 265A टू 265L। नेक्स्ट इज 114, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ग्रुप ऑफ सेक्शन ऑफ CRPC डील्स विद प्रोक्लेमेशन एंड अटैचमेंट, तो ये है 82, 86, बी इज द आंसर। नेक्स्ट 115, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेक्शन ऑफ CRPC प्रोवाइड्स एज सिक्योरिटी फॉर गुड बिहेवियर हैबिचुअल ऑफेंडर, सेक्शन 110 में है, EM लेता है अप टू 3 years। 109 में क्या है, सस्पेक्टेड पर्सन से, 108 में क्या है, सिडिशियस मैटर्स में, इनमें भी EM लेगा पर इनमें क्या है 1 year के लिए अप टू 1 year। नेक्स्ट 116, in which of the following case a wife is not entitled to maintenance if she is living in adultery without sufficient basis to live with the husband, if parties are living separately by mutual consent, all of the above, D is the answer, mentioned in section 125 subsection 4। Next is 117, victim compensation scheme has been provided under CRPC by CRP Code Amendment 2009, B is the answer। एंड सेक्शन कौन सा है ये, सेक्शन है 357A, एंड ये कब से लागू हुआ था, 31/12/2009। नेक्स्ट इज 118, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेक्शन ऑफ CRPC प्रोवाइड्स पावर ऑफ द हाई कोर्ट टू कंफर्म सेंटेंस और अनल कन्विक्शन, 368। 366 में क्या है, सबमिशन फॉर कंफर्मेशन। 367 में क्या है, पावर ऑफ हाई कोर्ट टू फर्दर इंक्वायरी, ठीक है। 269 में क्या है, कंफर्मेशन ऑफ सेंटेंस बाय 2 जजेस, कंफर्मेशन ऑफ सेंटेंस बाय 2 जजेस। नेक्स्ट 119, the state government may by notification declare any city or town for the purpose of CRPC as a metropolitan whose population exceeds 10 lakh, so A is the answer, mentioned in section 8 CRPC। Next is 120, which one of the following section of CRPC provides public to give information of certain offences to police officer? It is section 39, C is the answer, same question was asked in 2016। Next is 121, which one of the following section CRPC provides for identification of arrested person? It is mentioned in 54A, B is the answer। 54 में क्या है, examination of arrested person by medical officer। 55A में है हेल्थ एंड सेफ्टी ऑफ अरेस्टेड पर्सन, एंड 60A क्या है, अरेस्ट स्ट्रिक्टली इन अकॉर्डेंस विद दिस कोड। नेक्स्ट 122, हु ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मे ऑर्डर फॉर मेंटेनेंस ऑफ वाइफ चिल्ड्रन पेरेंट्स, तो जुडिशियल मैजिस्ट्रेट फर्स्ट क्लास, सी इज द आंसर, पावर गिवन इन सेक्शन 125। Next 123, consider the following statement, choose the correct answer with the help of the code. Investigation is conducted by police officer, yes. Magistrate cannot infer investigation, yes. Investigation is judicial proceedings, no. Investigation is not a judicial proceeding, yes. इसका आंसर क्या रहेगा, 1, 2 and 4, B is the answer। Next 124, under CRPC where 2 or more courts have taken cognizance of the same offence, the question arises which of them ought to try that offence. The question shall be decided by if the courts are subordinate to same high court or high court. If the court are not subordinate to same high court, the court within local limits of whose appellate criminal jurisdiction the proceedings were first commenced. 2 and 3 are correct, so answer is B, and this is mentioned in section 186 CRPC। Next is 125, High Court under its inherent power conferred under section 482 passes the following orders: quash FIR, quash proceeding of case pending before criminal court, It expunges derogatory remark against member of subordinate court. So all are correct. C is the answer. 1, 2, 3 valid. Next is 126. In which of the following cases it was held that person has a right to protection under 161(2) CRPC against questions, the answer of which would have tendency to a criminal charge. So Nandani Satpathy versus PL Dani. A is the answer. See 127. Under which of the following section CRPC magistrate shall dismiss the complaints? In section 203. 202 में क्या है? Postponement of issue of process. ठीक है. 201 में क्या है? When magistrate is not competent to take cognizance. All right.
97. Statements under section 161 of CRPC are recorded by police during trial, before investigation, during inquiry. Then it is during investigation. Next question is under section 190 of CRPC 1973, cognizance of offense is taken by a judicial magistrate, session judge, high court or district magistrate. It is judicial magistrate. In section 190, cognizance is taken by judicial magistrate. Now question 99. During the trial, statements of an accused person are recorded by the court under CRPC. Under which section? It is section number 313. Statements of accused person are recorded by the court. And in section 311, court can call the witness. And section 312, expenses of complaints and witnesses, and section 314 is oral arguments or memorandum of arguments. Okay, now question number 100. Under CRPC, charges may be added or altered under which section? Section 216. And what is in section 211? Contents of charge. 212 is particulars as to time, place or person. Okay, and section number 215 talks about effect of errors. So the right answer is 216. Charges may be added or altered. Question number 101. Under CRPC, in a warrant case instituted on police report, the trial begins when the charges are framed, accused appears, witnesses are examined, or none of the above. The right answer is charges are framed. Okay. 102. In which of the following trials under CRPC hearing of an accused on sentence is not necessary? It is a summons case. In trial of summons cases. Okay. And which section? Section 251 से लेकर 259. Question number 103. A commits robbery on B and in doing so voluntary causes hurt to him. Whether A may be separately charged under section 323, 392 and 394 of IPC. The right answer is yes, he can be separately charged. Question number 104. Criminal Law Amendment Act 2013 came into effect on which date? It came into effect on 3rd February 2013. Question number 105. Any dispute relating to the possession of immovable property under CRPC is decided by whom? By executive magistrate. Section 145, say 147. Question number 106. An accused person may be a competent witness in his own defense under CRPC in which section? Section number 315. Next question. The classification of offences has been given under CRPC under which section or schedule? The classification of offences is in schedule 1. Next is question number 108. Section 91 of CRPC does not apply to complainant, witness, accused, a person who is neither a complainant or accused or witness. The right answer is on accused. It does not apply to accused. 109. A person can be summoned as a witness under 160 of CRPC by whom? By the police officer who is investigating the case. The right answer is option C. Next is question number 110. Under which section of the CRPC a district magistrate or subdivisional magistrate may prevent environmental pollution? Environmental pollution. It is important question. It is under section 133. Right answer is option number B. Next question number 111. Treatment of a victim has been incorporated under CRPC by Criminal Law Amendment Act under which section? The right answer is 357C. And what is in 198B? It is the cognizance of offense. No court shall take cognizance of an offense punishable under 376B of IPC where the person are in marital relationship. And what section 357B talks about? It is compensation to be in addition to fine. With the fine plus the compensation is added to that. Now question number 112. In a FIR, an offense is cognizable and other is non-cognizable. The whole case shall be deemed as cognizable. Section number 155. 4. Now the next question is question number 113. Which of the following cases statements are true? State government shall establish a court of session with consultation of High Court, or state government shall establish a court of session. Right answer is B. The statement B. State government shall establish a court of session. Section 9(1). Next question, the provision of CRPC 1973 other than those relating to chapter 8, 10 and 11 thereof shall not apply in which of the following? State of Tripura, Assam, Meghalaya or Nagaland. It does not apply to state of Nagaland. The next question is question number 115. Under Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, a charge shall be written in the option A, language which the accused understand. Option B, the language which the witness understand. Option C, the language of the court. Or option D, the Hindi language. The right answer is option number C, language of the court. And where it is provided under section 211, subsection 6 of CRPC. Next is question number 116. What is the maximum default sentence that can be awarded in case of non-payment of compensation under section 358 of Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? Option A 60 days, B 30 days, C 90 days or option D 120 days. The right answer is option number B 30 days, and where it is provided under section 358 subsection 3 of CRPC. Now next is question number 117. An order passed by a magistrate under section 446 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 is applicable to whom? Option A, session judge, B, district magistrate, C, high court or option D, Supreme Court. So what is there in section 446? It is the procedure when bond has been forfeited. So the right answer is option number A, session judge. And where it is provided under section 449 of CRPC. Next is question number 118. If a person against whom an order under section 133 of a Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 is made appears and show cause against the order, the magistrate shall option A, take evidence in the matter as in summon case. Option B, take evidence in the matter as a warrant case. Option C, take evidence in the matter as an extraordinary case. Or option D, take no evidence. Take the evidence in the matter as in a summons case. It is actually provided in section 138 subsection 1 of CRPC. So the right answer is option number A. Okay. 119. Which of the following is not an essential procedural requirement of 164 of CRPC? Warning to the accused, confession to be made voluntary, recording of the statement in presence of the advocate of the accused, or memorandum at the foot of confession. The right answer is C, recording the statement in presence of advocate of the accused. Now 120. Which section of CRPC provides for confirmation by the High Court an order of death penalty passed by Session Court prior to its execution is section 368. Next is question number.
Next 158. Which one of the following case is a landmark case on FIR? It is Lalita Kumari versus State of UP is the answer. Next is 159. Under section 216 CRPC, the court may alter charge at any time before judgment is pronounced. C is the answer. Next is 160. Maximum period for which under trial can be detained not more than half of the maximum period of punishment for the said offense. Where it is mentioned 436A. Next is 161. Which of the following is not correct in respect of term victim under section 2WA? अब विक्टिम होता कौन है? हु सफर्स लॉस, इंजरी, इंक्लूड्स गार्जियन एज वेल एज लीगल हायर्स। तो इसमें रॉन्ग क्या हुआ? डज नॉट इंक्लूड गार्जियन बट लीगल हायर्स। तो सी इज द आंसर। नेक्स्ट 162, मैजिस्ट्रेट मे टेक cognizance of an offence upon his own knowledge, receiving complaint, police report, all of the above. D is the answer। और कॉन्वेंस के लिए कहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है? सेक्शन 190 में। नेक्स्ट 163, पावर टू ग्रांट बेल अंडर सेक्शन 439 CRPC is vested in High Court, Session Court, Magistrate, both A and B. Next 164, under which of the following provision CRPC compensation is paid to groundlessly arrested person? It is provided in 350A. B is the answer। compensation कितना है? up to ₹1000। 357 में क्या है? compensation। 357A में क्या है? victim compensation scheme। 360 में क्या है? release on probation, right? Next 165, which of the following cases Supreme Court India has directed High Court to exercise jurisdiction under 482? The state of Haryana versus Bhajanlal. A is the answer। Next is 166, under which provision of CRPC examination of witness in the absence of absconded accused can be done? It is mentioned in section 299। 321 में क्या है? withdrawal of prosecution। 224 में क्या है? withdrawal of remaining charges on conviction on several charges। several charge थे, एक पे मान लीजिए conviction हुआ तो बाकी का withdrawal हो गया। 301 क्या है? appearance by PP। A is the answer। Next is 167, which of the following provision of CRPC provides legal aid? Legal aid is provided in section 304, again asked in 2018। 309 में क्या है? expedite trial, this was asked in Haryana 2021। 303 में क्या है? right to be defended, right to be defended। 302 में क्या है? permission to conduct prosecution। ठीक है, B is the answer। Next is 168, an order under section 144 shall remain in force for 2 months, yes, but can be extended by the government not exceeding 6 months। और ये कहाँ पर मेंशन है? ये मेंशन है सब सेक्शन 4 के प्रोवाइजो में। 2 months सेक्शन 4 में लिखा हुआ है। B is the answer। Next is 169, section 172 requires statement of witness recorded during the course of investigation under 161 shall be inserted in the case diary। So A is the answer। Next is 170, for every distinct offence of which person is accused there shall be a separate charge and every such charge shall be tried separately। कहाँ पर मेंशन किया गया है? ये किया गया है 218 में। 211 में क्या है? कंटेंट ऑफ चार्ज। फिर है 215 में क्या है? इफेक्ट ऑफ एरर्स, अगर कोई एरर हो गया चार्ज में। 220 में क्या है? ट्रायल फॉर मोर देन वन ऑफेंस। नेक्स्ट 171, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्रोविजन ऑफ CRPC provides that no court shall alter the judgment after it has been signed? It is mentioned in section 362। 360 में क्या है? अभी हमने डिस्कस किया था प्रोबेशन ऑफ ऑफेंडर। 361 में क्या है? स्पेशल रीजंस लिखने हैं उसके लिए। 462 में क्या है? प्रोसीडिंग्स इन रॉन्ग प्लेस। प्रोसीडिंग्स अगर रॉन्ग प्लेस में हो गई हैं तो क्या करेंगे? नेक्स्ट 172, प्रोविजन रिगार्डिंग प्ली बार्गेनिंग आर गिवन इन चैप्टर 21A। B इज द आंसर। 19 में क्या है? समरी ट्रायल। 22 में क्या है? अटेंडेंस ऑफ पर्सन कन्फाइंड। 12A क्या है? कोई चैप्टर नहीं है। B is the answer। Next is 173, A has committed robbery on a train bound to Varanasi from Haridwar। A can be inquired or tried at any court in the course of that journey। D is the answer। ये कहाँ पर मेंशन है? ये मेंशन है सेक्शन 183 में, for offence committed during voyage or journey। Next is 174, in the proceedings for confirmation of death sentence, the High Court has power only to confirm the sentence of death or pass any other, only to convict the accused or any other offense, only to acquit the accused person, all of the above। So all of the above। D is the answer, mentioned in section 368। Next 175, a wife is not entitled to claim maintenance from her husband under section 125 CRPC if she is living in adultery, refuse to live with husband without sufficient reason, mutual consent, all of the above, mentioned in section 125 itself। सबसेक्शन है ये 4. Next 176, the direction to ensure that police officers do not arrest accused unnecessarily and magistrate do not authorize detention casually were issued by the Supreme Court in the case of Arnesh Kumar versus State of Bihar. A is the answer. Next 177, which of the following provision of CRPC provides that the investigation in relation to rape of a child may be completed within 3 months from the date on which the information was recorded by officer in charge of police station. 173 1A. B is the answer. यहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है CRPC. Question 61. High Court may make rules under 477 CRPC with the previous permission of state government. A is the answer. Next is 62. In which of the following case it was held that identity of victim is not to be disclosed even in judgment of the court? To have mentioned Dinesh versus State of Rajasthan. B is the answer. Next is 63. Power of magistrate to order a person to give specimen signature and handwriting. It is mentioned in section 311A. B is the answer. 310 is no section. 12 is no section. This is also not a section. B is the answer. Next is 64. Laying of trap is a part of investigation. Why? Because investigation is done by police authorities and inquiry and trial by court. Okay. Next is 65. The term court under section 195 clause 3 CRPC includes civil court, criminal court, revenue court, all civil, criminal and revenue courts. D is the answer. This question was asked in Haryana 2021. D is the answer. Next is 66. A person can be summoned as a witness under section 160 CRPC by any police officer, any officer, investigating police officer. C is the answer. Because it is mentioned in section that any police officer making investigation by order in writing required attendance before himself of any person. Next is 67. Criminal Law Amendment Act came into force on 3rd Feb 2013. Same question was asked in 2019. Next question 68. When a person refused to answer or to produce document in court, then he may be awarded the punishment of imprisonment under section 349 up to 7 days. D is the answer. Next is 69. Limitation period prescribed under section 468 is related to completion of investigation, completion of trial, cognizance of offence by court, completion of inquiry. It is regarding cognizance of offence by court. C is the answer. Next is 70. Ordinarily, the place of trial of an offence is the place where it has been committed, accused arrested, consequence ensued. Ordinary, where it is happen, where it is committed, and where this is mentioned in section 177 CRPC. Consequence ensued, it is mentioned in 179. A is the answer. Next is 71. Section 125 CRPC is applicable to all persons irrespective of their religion. It is laid down in Muhammad Ahmad Khan versus Shahbano Begum. B is the answer. Next is 72. A statement covered under 164 CRPC can be recorded by judicial or metropolitan magistrate. C is the answer. Next is 73. High Court cannot directly entertain the bail application of quota accused person without the refusal by special court. This was laid down by Supreme Court in case of State of Gujarat versus Salim by Abdul Ghaffar Sheikh. B is the answer. Next is 74. Who is empowered to remove nuisance under section 133? It is district magistrate. D is the answer. And 133 में क्या है? Conditional orders to remove nuisance. Next is 75. Provision relating to bail to require the accused to appeal before the next appellate court has been mentioned under section 437A. C is the answer. 438 में क्या है? Anticipatory bail. 436A में क्या है? Maximum period for which an under trial can be detained. Under trial detention के लिए maximum period है ये. 436 क्या है? General provision for bail. Next is 101. An arrest warrant issued by a court can be executed at any place in India mentioned in section 77 CRPC. B is the answer. Next question number 102. A proclaimed offender whose property has been attached can claim back the property or sale proceeds on appearance within 2 years of attachment mentioned in section 85 subsection 3. C is the answer. Next question number 103. Which of the following offence is not compoundable under 320? It is 307. Attempt to murder is not compoundable. D is the answer. What is 323 IPC? Hurt. Next is 104. 357A of CRPC was inserted by Act 54 2009. It is about victim compensation scheme. A is the answer. Next question number 105. Procedure of arrest and duties of officer arresting the person have been provided in the code in the CRPC in section 41B. C is the answer. 41 में क्या है? Police when can arrest. 41A क्या है? Notice of appearance. 41C क्या है? Control room in districts, in every district and state level. Answer रहेगा C. Next is 106. In which of the section of CRPC it has been provided that every person is bound to assist police officer or magistrate regarding any offence? It is mentioned in section 37. D is the answer. Next question 107. The accused person may apply for plea bargaining under CRPC when he has committed the offence of theft. C is the answer. It was mentioned कि any offence punishable with imprisonment less than 7 years जो है you can go for plea bargaining. रॉबरी में है 7 years की, डकैती में 10 years की, रेप में not less than 10 years. Alright, so C is the answer. Next is 108. Appropriate government may commute the sentence of accused person under CRPC even without the consent of accused mentioned in section 433. B is the answer. 432 में क्या है? Power to suspend and remit sentence. Power to suspend and remit sentence. 320 obviously compounding. 321 क्या है? Withdrawal of prosecution. Okay. And same provision is mentioned in IPC where 54 and 55. Next question number 109. Case diary, police diary is an important document which relates to investigation. B is the answer and is mentioned in section 172. Next is 110, 110. How many chapter sections have been incorporated? There is 37 chapters and 484 sections. B is the answer. Question number 54. Which section of CRPC provides that all offences under the Indian Penal Code shall be investigated and inquired into according to the provision of CRPC? तो ये मेंशन किया गया है सेक्शन 4 में. B is the answer. Next 155. Which section of CRPC provides High Court could be criminal court? It is mentioned in section 6. A is the answer. Next is 156. Who has authority to establish court of session in a district? It is state government. So C is the answer. Next is 157. Who will appoint the presiding officer of a court of session? It is High Court. B is the answer. ये दिया हुआ है 9K1 में, ये दिया हुआ है 9K2 में, section 9 of CRPC. Next is 158. Who will appoint CJM in a district? It is High Court. Answer रहेगा B. कहाँ पर मेंशन किया गया? Section 12 of CRPC. Next is 159. How many classes of criminal court shall be in a district? ये होंगे 4 classes. अब मेंशन कहाँ पर है? सेक्शन 6 में. C is the answer. Next is 160. Which of the following sentence High Court can pass? Death sentence, imprisonment, life, regress, any sentence authorized by law. So D is the answer. कहाँ पर मेंशन किया गया है? मेंशन किया गया सेक्शन 28 में, सब सेक्शन 1 में ही लिखा हुआ है. Next is 161. When police can arrest person without warrant in case of cognizable offense, proclaimed offender, deserter from armed forces, all of the above. D is the answer. पुलिस अरेस्ट कहाँ पर दिया हुआ है? सेक्शन 41 में. नेक्स्ट इज 162. हाउ मच मैक्सिमम पनिशमेंट फॉर इम्प्रिजनमेंट कुड बी गिवन बाय CJM? अप टू 7 years एंड इट इज मेंशन इन सेक्शन 29. B is the answer. Next is 163. Famous DK Basu, West Bengal contains guideline in what respect? Arrest of a person. A is the answer. Next is 164. Before which of the following matter relating to the maintenance under 125 of the CRPC would be filed? It is judicial magistrate first class. B is the answer. Next is 165. At what stage of criminal case confession statement of a person under section 164 CRPC could be recorded? During investigation. A is the answer. Next is question number 166. Under section 154, who can give information relating to the commission of cognizable offence? Any person can give. D is the answer. Next is 167. Where the relevant procedure in CRPC has been provided in case when investigation cannot be completed within 24 hours. So it is provided in section 167. C is the answer. Next is 168. Under which section of CRPC the jurisdiction of criminal court have been given for the offences committed outside India? It is in 188. 183 में क्या है? During voyage or journey. 177 क्या? Ordinary jurisdiction. और 179 में क्या है? Where act done or consequence. एक्ट एक जगह डन किया और दूसरी जगह कॉन्सिक्वेंस एंस्यू हुआ. इसका आंसर रहेगा डी. नेक्स्ट इज 169. व्हाट आर द मोड्स ऑफ टेकिंग कॉग्निजेंस ऑफ ऑफेंस बाय मैजिस्ट्रेट्स इन CRPC? अपॉन रिसीविंग कंप्लेंट, अपॉन पुलिस रिपोर्ट, अपॉन इन्फॉर्मेशन अदर देन पुलिस रिपोर्ट. ऑल ऑफ दीज. डी इज द आंसर. आंसर रहेगा डी। अगला क्वेश्चन है 170। विच सेक्शन सीआरपीसी रिस्ट्रिक्ट द कोर्ट ऑफ सेशन फ्रॉम टेकिंग कॉग्निजेंस ऑफ एनी ऑफेंस एज द कोर्ट ऑफ ओरिजिनल जुरिडिक्शन अनलेस द केस हैज बीन कमिटेड टू इट बाय अ मैजिस्ट्रेट। सेक्शन इज 196, डी इज द आंसर। सेक्शन है 193, ए इज द आंसर। 194 क्या है? एडिशनल असिस्टेंट सेशन टू ट्राई केसेस मेड ओवर टू देम, ठीक है ना। तो एडिशनल एंड एएसजे के लिए जो ट्रायल करनी है उनके लिए जो कमिट किए गए हैं उनको। अब ये क्या? प्रोसिक्यूशन फॉर लॉफुल कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ पब्लिक सर्वेंट। 196 क्या है? प्रोसिक्यूशन ऑफ ऑफेंसेस अगेंस्ट स्टेट एंड क्रिमिनल कॉन्स्पिरेसी। स्टेट वाले जो क्राइम्स हैं स्टेट के अगेंस्ट, उनके प्रोसिक्यूशन के लिए है। इसका आंसर रहेगा ए। नेक्स्ट 171, विच आर द फॉलोइंग केस रिलेटेड टू प्रिंसिपल्स विद रिगार्ड टू एंटिसिपेटरी बेल। तो ये है गुरबख्श सिंह सिबिया वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ पंजाब, बी इज द आंसर। नेक्स्ट 172, विच आर द फॉलोइंग आर्टिकल ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन रिलेटेड टू द डॉक्ट्राइन। If a person is tried and acquitted or convicted for an offense, he cannot be tried again for the same offense. अब देखिए यहाँ पर ये पूछना चाहिए था सीआरपीसी का, because same provision is provided in सीआरपीसी in section 300 atrofos acquit, atrofos convict। ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया है। ये आर्टिकल 22 है, ये डबल जियोपार्डी, डबल हमारे यहाँ जियोपार्डी बोलते हैं सब लोग, बट दैट इज इफ यू से इन प्रॉपर प्रोनाउंसिएशन इट इज डबल जेपर्डी। आंसर रहेगा सी। नेक्स्ट इज 173, under which provision of CRPC the legal aid to the accused has been permitted at the expense of state। 304 है ये, C is the answer। 301 में क्या है? appearance of PP। 303 में क्या है? right of person against whom proceedings are instituted to be defended। right है, right की बात की है, right to defend की। 306 में क्या है? tender pardon to accomplice। all right। Next 174, under CRPC whom the following is empowered to decide as to what would be the language of the court। It is state government, A is the answer। and section कौन सा है ये? 272। Next 175, which provision of CRPC provides that accused person shall be a competent witness for defense and may give evidence on oath। 315, B is the answer। 310 में क्या है? local inspection। 311 में क्या है? पावर टू समन मटेरियल विटनेस। ये पावर ऑफ कोर्ट है टू समन मटेरियल विटनेसेस, ठीक है। 319 क्या है? पावर टू प्रोसीड अगेंस्ट पर्सन हु इज नॉट अपीयरिंग टू बी गिल्टी ऑफ ऑफेंस, मतलब कि बाद में इन्वॉल्वमेंट मिली किसी और की तो उसको भी जो है समन कर लिया। इसका आंसर रहेगा बी। नेक्स्ट 176, हु कैन फ्रेम चार्ज अकॉर्डिंग टू सीआरपीसी। court, prosecutor, officer in charge of police station, all of these no, it is only court can frame charges। A is the answer। ये कहाँ पर मेंशन किया गया है? 228 में। वहाँ पर जो वर्ड यूज किया गया है वो यूज किया गया है जज। तो अगर जज भी, अगर कोर्ट या जज लिखा हो तो सेम है, फिर ए एंड बी करेक्ट हो जाएगा। नेक्स्ट 177, इन समरी ट्रायल प्रोसीजर द कोर्ट शुड फॉलो। और देखिए ये 2019 में क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था। अगर आप देखेंगे सीरीज ए का क्वेश्चन नंबर 164, वहाँ पूछा गया था कि समरी ट्रायल में जो है वहाँ पे ऑप्शंस दिए हुए थे, कौन सा ऑप्शन ठीक है। ये एक ऑप्शन था, थर्ड ऑप्शन था ये प्रोसीजर ऑफ समन ट्रायल चलता है, और ये कहाँ मेंशन किया गया है? 262 के सब सेक्शन 1 में। नेक्स्ट 178, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेक्शन सीआरपीसी रिलेटेड टू रिलीज ऑफ ऑफेंडर ऑन प्रोबेशन ऑफ गुड कंडक्ट। 360, सो डी इज द आंसर। Question 143, which of the following section of CRPC deals with evidence for defense। Now देखिए यहाँ पर भी कंफ्यूजिंग है, बिकॉज यहाँ पर भी देखिए ये नहीं बताया कि डिफेंस कौन सी ट्रायल में, समन्स ट्रायल में, वारंट ट्रायल में, कोर्ट ऑफ सेशन में। कोर्ट ऑफ सेशन की जो ट्रायल है वो है 225 से 237 तक। उसके बाद आती है वारंट ट्रायल 238 से और 250 तक। सो वी प्रिज्यूम कि ये पूछ रहे हैं वारंट ट्रायल, बिकॉज 237 में नहीं है, 242 में नहीं है, 240 वुड बी दी आंसर। बी इज दी आंसर। एंड सेक्शन 264 में जजमेंट इन केस ट्राइड समरीली। 242 में क्या है? एविडेंस फॉर प्रोसिक्यूशन, मतलब प्रोसिक्यूशन विटनेस आएगा वारंट ट्रायल में। 237 में क्या आएगा? प्रोसीजर फॉर केसेस इंस्टीट्यूटेड ऑन सेक्शन 199 सबसेक्शन 2। ऑलराइट, so B is the answer। Next is 144, power of court to convert someone's case into warrant is provided under which section of CRPC? It is mentioned in 259। B is the answer। और summons trial जो है वो 251 से और 259 तक जो है रहती हैं। लास्ट सेक्शन यही है समन्स ट्रायल का। 301 में क्या है? अपीयरेंस बाय पीपी 322 में क्या है? प्रोसीजर इन विच मजिस्ट्रेट कैन नॉट डिस्पोज ऑफ। 302 में क्या है? परमिशन टू कंडक्ट प्रोसिक्यूशन। इसका आंसर रहेगा बी। नेक्स्ट 145 क्लेम्स एंड ऑब्जेक्शन टू अटैचमेंट ऑफ प्रॉपर्टीज प्रोवाइडेड अंडर विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेक्शन ऑफ CRPC। It is mentioned in section 84. A is the answer. 85 में क्या है? Release, sale and restoration of property attached. ठीक है। 86 में क्या है? जब ऑब्जेक्शन किया नहीं माना तो उसकी अपील कर दी। 87 में क्या है? Issue warrant in lieu of summons. A is the answer. Next 146. The validity of an order made under section 144 is for 2 months. और ये कहाँ पर मेंशन किया गया है? ये मेंशन किया है सब सेक्शन 4 में ही। C is the answer. Next 147. The power to postpone the execution of death sentence is conferred on. किसके ऊपर confer है? High Court. C is the answer. और ये कहाँ पर मेंशन किया गया है? ये मेंशन किया गया है 415 में। Next 148. Accused person shall be competent witness. It is mentioned in section 315। 14 में क्या है? ओरल आर्ग्यूमेंट्स। ठीक है। 16 में क्या है? नो इन्फ्लुएंस टू बी इंड्यूस्ड। नो इन्फ्लुएंस टू बी यूज टू इंड्यूस डिस्क्लोजर। इंड्यूसमेंट नहीं करनी है, इन्फ्लुएंस नहीं कराना है। 17 में क्या है? प्रोविजन फॉर इंक्वायरी और ट्रायल इन एब्सेंस ऑफ एक्यूज्ड। कब कर सकते हैं? आंसर रहेगा इसका डी। नेक्स्ट 149 विच फॉर्म मेंशन इन सेकंड शेड्यूल इज रेडिड विद चार्ज। फॉर्म 32। बी इज द आंसर। Next is 150. According to section 97 CRPC, who is not competent to issue search warrant? So that is court of session. They all can issue search warrants. Answer is D. Next is 151. Which case related to the power of the court to examine the accused? Baba versus State of Maharashtra, Durbal Singh versus State. They are both. Answer is C. Next is 152. If an interstate has left no higher qualified to succeed to his or her property, such property shall devolve on which of the following? State government by escheat. Doctrine of escheat. A is the answer. ये कहाँ पर मेंशन किया गया है? मेंशन किया गया है आपके सेक्शन 29 ऑफ हिंदू सक्सेशन एक्ट में ही। बीच में एक ये हिंदू लॉ का क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया। नेक्स्ट 153. मैजिस्ट्रेट एम्पावर्ड अंडर 190 में ऑर्डर इन्वेस्टिगेशन बाय पुलिस इन ए कॉग्निजेबल केस। दिस प्रोवाइडेड अंडर विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेक्शन? सेक्शन 156 का 3। Answer is C. Next 154. Which of the following offences under IPC are covered under 95 CRPC? देखिए लगेगा ना IPC का क्वेश्चन पूछा, लेकिन है ये किसका? 95 CRPC का। तो ये भी है, ये भी है और ये भी है। Answer is all of these. D is the answer. Next is 155. High Court may exercise inherent power under 482 on which of the following grounds? In the arrest of arrest case, ex diviso justice, to prevent abuse of process of any court. All of these. इसका आंसर क्या रहेगा? All of these. D is the answer. Next is 156. If a judge dies after writing his judgment but before delivering in open court, then the judgment shall be considered as only an opinion of the judge. And if you have seen my previous videos, I have discussed the papers of Uttarakhand Assistant Prosecution Officer, and I have made the particular videos of CRPC, IPC Evidence Act, and all these questions of CRPC evidence and IPC I have already discussed over there. Maximum questions I have discussed. So all these questions, even this 156 I have discussed over there. You can see that in that videos. B is the answer. Next 157. Who may record confession under section 164? And judicial magistrate having jurisdiction only, not having jurisdiction, metropolitan magistrate not having jurisdiction only. So all of these. So D is the answer. Next is 158. In which of the following it was held that function of police and judiciary is complementary to each other? The case was King Emperor versus Nazir Ahmad. So A is the answer. Next is 159. Under CRPC, which of the following is not correctly matched? Medical examination of rape victim? Yes. Letter request competent authority? Yes. Release of accused when evidence deficient? No. ये नहीं है. Diary proceedings investigation? Yes. So answer क्या रहेगा इसका? C. Next is 160. Which one of the following section of CRPC provides victim compensation scheme? देखिए victim compensation scheme है 357 A में, तो B इसका उत्तर रहेगा। और अगर मैं इस पेपर का आपको एक आयरनी दिखाऊं तो देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 160 है और इसका हिंदी में देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 160। कौन सी धारा पीड़ित प्रतिकर स्कीम का उपबंध नहीं करती है? अब पूछना तो सेम चाहिए था, यहाँ पूछ लिया नहीं करती है, इसका मतलब 357 में कॉम्पनसेशन है, यहाँ कॉम्पनसेशन स्कीम है, यहाँ पर भी है और इसमें नहीं है। तो इसमें तो आंसर हो गया सी। लेकिन इंग्लिश का अगर देखेंगे इसमें पूछा हुआ है कि तो सेक्शन कौन सा है विक्टिम कॉम्पनसेशन स्कीम का, तो ये तो क्वेश्चन डिलीट होना चाहिए। बी इसका आंसर रहेगा। Next is 161. Name of the victim of sexual offense shall not be mentioned. It was held in case Ramakrishna versus State. So A is the answer. Next is 162. Which one of the following is not correctly matched in the CRPC? 2D में complaint है या 2H में investigation है, 2R में पुलिस रिपोर्ट है, W it is 2W में क्या है समन्स केस और विक्टिम कहाँ पर मेंशन है WA में जो कि आया था अमेंडमेंट ऑफ 2009 से. इसका आंसर क्या रहेगा D. नेक्स्ट इज 163. डिस्चार्ज ऑफ अक्यूज बिफोर ट्रायल हैज बीन प्रोवाइडेड अंडर विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेक्शंस. 127 में भी 39 में 255 में नहीं है. आंसर क्या रहेगा बोथ 1 and 2. C is the answer. Next is 164. Consider the following statement to summary trial under CRPC and choose the correct answer with the help of code. Offense under 454-56 may be tried by summary trial. Yes, it is mentioned in section 260 clause 5 में. फिर लिखा हुआ सेंटेंस अंडर समिट ट्रायल शैल नॉट बी पास लेस देन 3 months. मतलब ये गलत है, यहाँ पर एक्सीडिंग 3 months नहीं हो सकता. एक्सीडिंग लिखा हुआ वो लिखा हुआ है सेक्शन 262 के सब सेक्शन 2 में. 2 गलत हो गया. प्रोसीजर फॉर ट्रायल और समन्स केस शैल बी फॉलोड इन समरी ट्रायल. ये मेंशन किया गया है 262 के सब सेक्शन 1 में. तो 2 गलत है तो 1 and 3 इज करेक्ट. सी इज द आंसर. Next is 165. 41B was inserted by Criminal Amendment Act in which of the following? कि अमेंडमेंट थी 2009 की with effect from 1 November 2010. So answer would be B 2010. Next is 166. No court shall take cognizance of an offence under CRPC after expiry of period of limitation under 468. Which of the following is not correct? 6 month offense, fine only. 1 offense not exceeding 1 year. Yes, 2 respect of economic offense. It is not correct. 2 in respect of punishable imprisonment not exceeding 2 years. ठीक है ना. यहाँ पर economic offenses के लिए कुछ वो अलग से नहीं बनाया गया limitation period. So C is the answer. Next is question number 167. Irregularities which do not vitiate the proceedings. It is mentioned in 460. पहले नोट आएगा फिर यस आएगा. मतलब विशिएट्स वो है 461 में. 462 में क्या है प्रोसीडिंग्स इन रॉन्ग प्लेस. 58 में क्या है व्हेन नो क्लेमेंट अपीयर्स विद इन 6 months. नेक्स्ट 168. पावर ऑफ हाई कोर्ट टू कंफर्म सेंटेंस इज प्रोवाइडेड अंडर विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेक्शंस ऑफ सीआरपीसी. इट इज मेंशन इन सेक्शन 368. पावर मेंशन है 368 में. सबमिशन करते हैं 366 में. डी इज द आंसर. राइट. रिपीट क्वेश्चन अगेन. यहाँ स्टार्ट होता है सीआरपीसी. क्वेश्चन है 153. क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ ऑफेंसेस आर गिवन इन सीआरपीसी अंडर फर्स्ट शेड्यूल. सी इज द आंसर. अगेन रिपीट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट इज 154. अंडर सेक्शन 167 the magistrate can authorize detention of total period 90 days during the investigation of a case of offense punishable death, life imprisonment not less than 10 years. All of these. D is the answer. Again repeat question. Next 158. Which one of the following irregularities does not vitiate the proceedings under section 460? तो वो है to issue search warrant. C is the answer. बाकी ये सब vitiate कर देंगे proceedings को under section 461. Next is 159. A case can be committed to court of session by magistrate under section 209 and 323. B is the answer. Next is 160. What is the meaning of police diary under CRPC proceedings in the investigation under section 172? देखिए सेक्शन ही देख लीजिए उसी से आंसर निकल जाएगा इसका. रिपीट क्वेश्चन है ये. पुलिस डायरी कहाँ पर है 172 में. Next is 161. Chapter 21A related to plea bargaining under CRPC was inserted which year? 2006. D is the answer. Repeat question. Next is 162. According to 357A CRPC, where the offender is not traced or identified, the victim or his dependent applied for the award of compensation within what period? The state or legal district legal service authority are required to complete inquiry within 2 months. C is the answer. ये mention है subsection 5 में. Next is 163. Which of the following section has carried a duty on part of public generally to give information to police regarding certain offences? Section 39. B is the answer. Repeat question. 37 में क्या है? Public to assist. Assist करना है किसको? Magistrate को and पुलिस को. 38 क्या कहता है? Aid to person मतलब help करनी है other than police officer in execution of warrant. And 40 क्या कहता है? Duty of officer employed in connection to affairs of a village to make certain report. Next is 164. Section 58 CRPC to whom officer in charge of police station shall report the cases of all persons arrested without warrant. A. District magistrate. A is the answer. Repeat question. SC 165, which of the following section of CRPC did summary procedure of trial for giving false evidence? It is mentioned in section 344. So C is the answer. 342 में क्या है? Power to order cost. 343 में क्या है? Procedure of magistrate taking cognizance. Cognizance कैसे लेनी है? And 345 में क्या है? Procedure in certain of contempts. Contempts के लिए जहाँ पर procedure बताया गया है. SC 166. The term victim is defined in CRPC in section WA. B is the answer. Repeat question. 2W में क्या है? Summons case. 2V में क्या है? Subdivision. Next 167. Under which section CRPC there is a provision regarding recording of remark by magistrate respecting demeanor of witness? Under section 280. A is the answer. 270 में क्या है? Prisoner to be brought to court in custody. ये है production of prisoner. ठीक है. 288 क्या है? 288 है return of commission. And what is 278? Production in regard to such evidence when completed. Procedure in regard to such evidence when completed. Next 168. Under section 482 CRPC, inherent powers may be exercised by High Court only. So B is the answer. Next 169. What is the maximum period for security for keeping the peace? Can be asked under section 107. It is 1 year. C is the answer. 107 किसके लिए है? Security for keeping the peace in other cases other than conviction cases. Repeat question. Next 170. Which one of the following section of CRPC deals with summary dismissal of appeals? It is mentioned in section 384. D is the answer. 320 में क्या? Compounding of offences. 390 में क्या है? Arrest of accused in appeal from acquittal. In appeal from acquittal. 381 में क्या है? Appeal to court of session how heard. Next 171. Which of the following section CRPC deals with the power of appellate court? Mentioned in section 386. B is the answer. 300 में क्या है? Order of force acquit, order of force convict. मतलब person once convicted or acquitted cannot be tried again. Double jeopardy वाला जो principle है सेक्शन 300 में अप्लाई होता है. 395 क्या है? रेफरेंस टू हाई कोर्ट. 290 क्या है? एग्जीक्यूशन ऑफ फॉरेन कमीशंस. नेक्स्ट 172. अंडर सीआरपीसी व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कोर्ट आर शोन एज क्रिमिनल कोर्ट? हाई कोर्ट, कोर्ट ऑफ सेशन, जुडिशियल मैजिस्ट्रेट फर्स्ट क्लास. ऑल ऑफ दीज. डी इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 173. सीआरपीसी डज नॉट हैव प्रोविजन रिगार्डिंग रिव्यू. ए इज द आंसर. देखिए अपील का जो चैप्टर है इट इज मेंशन इन चैप्टर 29. रेफरेंस एंड रिवीजन आर मेंशन इन चैप्टर 30. रिव्यू के लिए कोई प्रोविजन नहीं है, सो इसका आंसर रहेगा ए. नेक्स्ट इज 174. सेक्शन 407 डील्स विद पावर ऑफ हाई कोर्ट टू ट्रांसफर केसेस एंड अपील. सुप्रीम कोर्ट की कहाँ पर है? 406 में. एंड सेशन जज की कहाँ पर है? 408 में. तो 6, 7, 8 सुप्रीम कोर्ट, हाई कोर्ट, सेशन जज. ऑल राइट. Next 175. Report of certain government scientific experts is prescribed under 393. B is the answer. 292 में क्या है? Evidence of officers of the mint. मतलब जहाँ पर नोट छपते हैं या फिर सिक्के बनते हैं उनके एविडेंस. 291 में क्या है? Deposition of medical witness. 294 में क्या है? No formal proof of certain documents. Next 176. Offence of same kind committed by a person accused of more than one offences within the space of 12 months, whether in respect of the same person or not, may be charged with and tried at one trial under CPC. How many offences? 3 offences. Mentioned in section 219. Next 178. According to section 144, what is the maximum period for which state government has power to further extend the order made by magistrate, not exceeding 6 months? D is the answer. Repeat question है ये. Next 179. Which of the following section provides the release of person of unsound mind on bail pending investigation? आंसर रहेगा 330. B is the answer. 328 में क्या है? Procedure in case accused is lunatic. 329 में क्या है? When person accused is unsound mind. 331 में क्या? Resumption of inquiry or trial. जब भी lunatic है, unsound mind है, तब उसको ट्रायल कर सकते हैं? नहीं कर सकते. जब वो ठीक हो जाएंगे तब उसको फिर से रिज्यूम कर देंगे. Next 180. Which of the following sections you have to deal with how appeals of court of session is heard? अभी हमने डिस्कस किया था ये. सेक्शन 381. A is the answer. वही सेक्शन जो हमने ऊपर डिस्कस किए थे. Next 77. Rule against double jeopardy is contained in which section of CRPC? That is section 300. Autor of OS acquit and autor of OS convict. हर बार बताया है, हम भी क्वेश्चन आया है ये. A is the answer. Next 78. Who decides upon the release of the accused on the ground of closure report on the अकाउंट ऑफ डेफिशिएंट एविडेंस। तो ये है सेक्शन 169 और कौन करता है? ऑफिसर इंचार्ज ऑफ पुलिस स्टेशन। ए इज द आंसर। नेक्स्ट 79, एनी प्राइवेट पर्सन मे अरेस्ट एनी पर्सन हु इज इन द प्रेजेंस कमिट्स फॉलोइंग ऑफेंस। तो cognizable and non-bailable offense, C is the answer, और he is a proclaimed offender। ठीक है, तो C इसका आंसर रहेगा। नेक्स्ट इज 82, bailable offense are shown in which of the following schedule of CRPC। तो कौन से में? फर्स्ट शेड्यूल में ऑब्वियसली, और ये कौन से कॉलम में मेंशन किए गए हैं? कॉलम है 5। Next 83, under section 340 CRPC, the court can move suo motu, not suo motu on the application of made by stranger or one of the parties। 340 क्या है? प्रोसीजर इन केस ऑफ 195। तो इसमें क्या लिखा हुआ है? अपॉन एप्लीकेशन मेड टू इट इन हिज बिहाफ एनी कोड इन ओपिनियन। तो एप्लीकेशन आएगी और अदरवाइज सुओ मोटो भी हो सकता है और ऑन एप्लीकेशन ऑफ वन ऑफ द पार्टीज भी हो सकता है और स्ट्रेंजर भी हो सकता है। तो 134 इसका आंसर रहेगा। D is the answer। नेक्स्ट इज 88, मैच करना है इसमें फिर से। अरेस्ट बाय मजिस्ट्रेट कितने हैं? 44 में। देखिए ए का 2 जो है एक में ही है यहाँ पर, और देखिए आंसर आ गया। अरेस्ट हाउ मेड 46 में है। सर्च ऑफ अरेस्टेड पर्सन 51, पावर ऑफ सीज ऑफेंसिव वेपन 52, 2143, AC is the answer। Next is 89, in which case Supreme Court held that in context of provision under section 91 the term person does not include an accused person on trial। तो ये केस था श्यामलाल वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ गुजरात 1965। C is the answer। Next 179, which one of the following is prescribed as a period of limitation if the offense is punishable with fine only। तो वो है 6 months। C is the answer। सेक्शन है 468 जहाँ पर टाइम पीरियड बताया गया है। अगर अप टू 1 ईयर है तो 1 ईयर, अप टू फ्रॉम 1 ईयर टू 3 ईयर है तो 3 ईयर, एंड मोर देन 3 ईयर है तो नो लिमिटेशन। नेक्स्ट 180, which one of the following is the maximum period for which an untrial prisoner can be detained other than for the offense for which punishment of death has been specified। तो 1/2 of the maximum imprisonment। A is the answer। और ये कहाँ मेंशन किया गया है? सेक्शन 436A of CRPC में। Next 181, which provision of CRPC provides that High Court may direct by whom the cost of such reference shall be paid। सेक्शन कौन सा है? पहले तो ये पता होना चाहिए रेफरेंस कितने में है। तो रेफरेंस है 395 में, और 396 के 2 में लिखा गया है ये कि फीस कौन पे करेगा। B is the answer। Next 182, section 25(1)(a) of CRPC has been instituted by which amendment? ये थी Amendment Act of 45 of 1978, section 9। B is the answer। Next 183, which section of CRPC provides for local judicial magistrate? तो कहाँ पर दिया हुआ? सेक्शन 14 में। C is the answer। 13 क्या है? स्पेशल जुडिशियल मैजिस्ट्रेट। एंड 15 क्या है? subordinate of judicial magistrate। Next 184, in which case Supreme Court observed that an accused person is entitled to know with certainty and accuracy the exact nature of the charge brought against him unless he has knowledge he would be seriously prejudiced in his defense। तो कौन सा केस था ये? चितरंजन दास वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ वेस्ट बंगाल। A is the answer। Next 185, provided that time included between first and last of such dates shall not exceed 1 year is the proviso of which section of CRPC। बताओ सेक्शन कौन सा है? अब ये है सेक्शन 112, और बट देखिए इसमें सब सेक्शन कौन सा? सब सेक्शन है ये 2। B इसका आंसर रहेगा। नेक्स्ट 186, हु प्रिपेयर्स अ पैनल ऑफ नेम्स अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ PP इन डिस्ट्रिक्ट। तो डिस्ट्रिक्ट मजिस्ट्रेट करता है इन कंसल्टेशन विद सेशन जज। C इज द आंसर। कहाँ मेंशन किया गया है? सेक्शन 24 के सब सेक्शन 4 में। नेक्स्ट 187, which of the following matter is related to a leading case स्टेट ऑफ बॉम्बे वर्सेस रूसी मिस्त्री। किस पर है? ये है FIR पर। तो C इसका आंसर रहेगा। Next 188, which section of CRPC provides for default bail? That is 167। A is the answer। Next 189, sentence in cases of conviction of several offences at one trial is provided under which of the following section? That is section 31। A is the answer। So friends, ये थे all the questions of CRPC। जो कि हमने पूरे डिस्कस कर लिए हैं फ्रॉम द ईयर 2002 टू 2023। अगर आपको इसमें कोई कमी लगी हो, कोई सजेशंस हो, कोई एडवाइस हो, तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जाकर भी लिख सकते हैं। वी ऑलवेज अप्रिशिएट योर कमेंट्स एंड फीडबैक। And friends, if you like the efforts, kindly give a super thanks. Super thanks is a way to help the content creator. Means if you like the videos, you can just donate some money to them in form of tips. And अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी इसको जरूर लाइक कीजिएगा. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. And while subscribing, don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our upcoming videos. So friends, thank you. Thanks very much for watching this video. Thank you.